Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some hidden paper clips that can be used as bookmarks as well. So that is the front and that is the back of them. As you're familiar with my channel, I make tons of this. They're simply paper clips that you can use into your journal to slide ephemera or documents, or as I said, use it into your book as a bookmark to know where your page is. I have used my VIP lounge papers for the month of June. In case you're familiar with to my channel, my VIP lounge is monthly subscription from the price of £2. Yes, £2. I don't really know. In fact, you can even get a coffee with £2 nowadays. So with £2 a month, you get loads of goodies that you can download and play with. So before I show you how to make the super cute paper clips, let me showcase everything that you get when you join my VIP Lounge membership for the month of June. The main collection is called Under the Sea. So this collection here is inspired by the nautical world of sea. There's a lot like creatures and vessels, etc. So just going to show you page by page. This one has got 2 pages here. This is one of my favorite. It reminds me of like Atlantis, like underwater sea world full of like flowers, etc. Another page here, this you can use it as a whole page with like maps and vessels. I love that with the lighthouse here and the water. It's all it's all designed to be mixed and matched. Love that. There's like a jeweled creature, so you've got the shell here and the jellyfish. Another one here with a turtle and little seal. Another one with the vessels. So again, as you can see, there's a lot like brown and blues color palette. Again, another 2 sections that you can use as a one piece, or if you make a journal, it could be like a cover, so front and back. Another one here with the fish and the seahorse. That's it. So that's the main collection. You also get 1 page of bookmarks. So these are bookmarks, but also been designed to be tags. Again, it's all mix and match, so it's 4 sections that you can cut off together. Also, all my VIP members get a letter gift box. So this month is the last letter, which is letter Z, and we have completed the entire alphabet. So you get a page with the instruction. This is very, very easy to pull together. So you've got the main letter, which is the Z, and then you've got the 2 tabs on the side and the 2 tabs to go on the front, on the top here. And then of course you get the Z, which is the backwards. And because I had this free page here, I thought, am I going to give you an extra an extra gift, which is a pillow box, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together. That's it. It's quite big, and then of course it stands on its own. All my 3D letters stand on their own. It's fantastic. I really like it. And this is the pillow box, so it opens like that. Okay, let me show you all the alphabet that we have done so far. We've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different. Depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R, S. Lovely, like velvet florally, and then T. Then we've got U and V. And then letter W, X, N, and last letter Z. All the alphabet is now available on my website if you want to purchase the entire letter. So from letter A to letter Z. Of course, my VIP members have got them for free. Every month, you also get a digital magazine. And every month it changes. Like this month, the theme is food. So the magazine that you get is the Good Food magazine from the BBC, and you got 73 recipes. So as you can see, I'm just going to give you a quick flip through. So you get loads and loads of inspiration, but also you can print these papers and use in your journal for mixed medias. And of course, you can also follow the recipes if you, like myself, you like to cook and you like good food. Last but not least, this month, every month you get a little gift from me. And this month, the gift is an additional pack, which is called Under the Sea Ephemera Pack. So there's 4 pages that have been designed to go with the main pack. And I got an idea what to do with this. So this is a section of 4, as you can see, 8 different backgrounds. I got an idea how to use them, and you're going to love it. Section of tags to go with it. Also 2 scallop envelopes. So if you can cut them, that's the side tab, that's the top, and then you fold them, becomes envelopes. And then on here you got a large secretarial pocket. So what you do, you cut this. You can put it together by folding on the tabs, front and side, or you can cut it and put this on your page of your journal, and then you've got 4 slots. Okay, so again, it's been designed to be used together like that, so you get 4 slots on the front and 4 slots on the back, or as I said, you can cut it and glue it on your journal. Okay, so the starting point is this page here. As you can see, has got 8 sections. So because I want my paper clips to be fully covered by that, and also I want both paper clips to be covered front and back, so I'm going to measure. So I'll do this in centimeters actually. So these is 6.7 by 9.5, which in inches is 2 and nearly 3, 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, spot on. Okay, so I'm going to cut a strip. So I work in centimeters. So do we say 6? So I'm going to do 6.5 by 9.5. So 6.5. And I'm hoping 6.5 there. Then I get my trimmer. Got 2 by, what did we say? So 9.5 times 2. Oh God, what's that? 9. Is that 19? I'm hoping that that's going to be long enough. Oh yes, it is. 19. Okay, just get rid of these bits. I'll do one with you guys, and then I'll do the other one off camera. So what we do is simply fold it in half, like so, trying to be as precise as you possibly can. Then we put a paper clip. Doesn't matter what color, because you won't see them. That's why it's called hidden paper clip. I've done tons of these on my channel, literally. I think I do like once a month, because it's something that I love making and it's so simple. So we put a paper clip there, and then basically we're going to put these on top of what we just done. Okay, like so. And because I like to do things quicker, I'm just just gonna chop like that much, because we've got this room for the paper clip that got that little space. So when you do so, yeah, it will be fully covered. So fold it in a half, and then what I do, you can use glue, but for speedness I'm just gonna use some double-sided tape. It is very, very important that you cover the top more than anything else. Okay, I'm gonna do the same on the back, and then I peel it off. And then I position it as precise as I possibly can be, and then tilt the back off the front one as well, and like that. So if I get a page, so you see, you can't really see the paperclip because it's fully covered, and then if I get a page, ta-da, so that's your paperclip. So what we're gonna do, we just decorate that. So I'm just gonna use the seahorse. I could use a trimmer, but I'd rather fussy cut it, so I'll be as precise as I possibly can. As that, and then we cut. I don't think I've done a good job, but I'm hoping it's gonna work. Yay, perfect. Okay, so I put it on both sides. So if, again, you put a page, so that's your paper clip, front and back. And then you can put any ephemera, or you can use this as a bookmark. Okay, so I've done them both. So first, so that's the front, and that is the back, or vice versa. So that is the front, and that is the back. I love the seahorse. I think he's absolutely beautiful. Right, guys, I'm going to go. I hope you like this video, and then if you wish to join, I will be absolutely grateful and delighted to join my VIP lounge membership. You get loads and loads of goodies. Let me showcase where to find it on my website. This is my website, AntonioMakes.com. Of course, it's June. So throughout the month of June, we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books are half price, every single one of them, from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We do in alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with a £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Every interaction that you guys have with me on YouTube, it just pushed the algorithm, so it's really, really, really appreciated. Have a fantastic day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.